So let's go ahead and get started. So today we're going to be talking about lesson 67A. We're going to be talking about compound words, and I'll explain what that is in a little bit. And then today is our day 1, okay? So here's our agenda. We're going to start with phonemic awareness, then we'll go on to our visual drill, auditory drill, blending drill, and our new concept. Thank you guys for being great listeners already. So for phonemic awareness, it's going to be a little bit different. I'm going to give you a word, I'm going to give you another word, then we're going to join those two words together, and then you're going to tell me what that new word is, okay? So listen, here we go. The first word, p. Second word, hill. Join it together.
Uphill.
Excellent. Uphill. Good job. Next one, I'm going to give you one word, then I'll give you the other. We'll join it together. Here we go. Listen.
Sun.
That's the first word. The next word.
Sunset.
Oh, did I join it together, or are we working on this word over here? What's the word? No. I'm going to start over. I'm starting over. That's the first word. Next word. Join together. Sunset. This time I'm going to give you the entire word and we're going to separate the parts, okay? So the word is upset. So let's separate the parts. The first part would be up. Let's do the second part. Yep. And we just took upset and we separated it up and set. Do you understand what you're doing? Okay, let's try another one. Himself. We're going to separate the parts. Ready? Now let's separate the other part. Excellent. So we took himself and we separated him and self. Excellent job. We finished our phonemic awareness. We're going to go quick with our visual drill today, okay? The first one is the only one we need to talk about, and that is the ED. And that's because ED makes 3 different sounds. Can somebody tell me what ED spells?
T.
Yep, ED spells T, but what's the sound? So we're going to say ED spells T. Can you do that with me? Here we go. ED spells T. That's one sound. What's the other one? Ed. Let's say it. ED spells ed. That's the second one. And the third one. Any new hands? Galab, scoot your chair up, please. Nobody knows the third sound for ED? Okay. Arturo.
ED spells D.
Excellent job. Let's do it together. Ready? ED spells D. So the 3 sounds are T, D, and ed. Okay, here we go. G spells G. C spells K. A spells A. I spells I.
O spells A. E spells E. U spells O.
Let's try this one again.
U spells O. And K spells N. And T spells N. W-H spells W. P-H spells C-H spells T-H spells.
So we know it spells 2 different sounds. And, good job.
S-H spells C-K spells S.
Good job. So we completed our phonemic awareness, our visual drill, and now we're going to do our auditory drill. For our auditory drill, I'm going to ask you to come up and just write the spelling pattern quickly, okay? All right, so let me go ahead and change this to, let's change the color to black. All right, so who can come up and write, and we're only going to do a few, we're not going to do all of them just because of time, but who can come up and write the spelling patterns for t? Hey, come on up. Remember, don't lay your hand on the board because it'll mark it, okay? So you don't have to go all the way up there. We're just, so that's one. What other spelling pattern could she write for T? Excellent. Okay, just remember we use lowercase letters, okay? Who can write the spelling pattern for D? Okay, D. There's two. And what's the other one? Okay. Oh, I like how you wrote the D sound for the ED. Excellent job. Okay, who can write the long vowel spelling pattern for I? There's two. Arturo? There's two. The long vowel spelling pattern that says I. Excellent. Yep, I and I blanky. Let's do one more. Who can come up and write this 3 spelling patterns for? Okay, Israel? Okay, that's one. Just write one, Israel, and I'll have the others write the other. Okay? Come on up. What's the other spelling pattern that says? Excellent. Floss roll. Who can come up and write the third? There you go. And CE. Excellent job. We learned that CE can also say excellent. You guys did a great job. Thank you. All right, we are ready now. Look at, we finished phonemic awareness, visual drill, and our auditory drill. Let's go ahead and take a look at our blending drill. So for our blending drill, I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. We're going to switch this over. Here we go. I'm going to put the first word. I want to hear you, okay? The first word. What's the word? Excellent. And from here, we're going to move on. Ready?
Cat. Cat. Bat. Bat. Cat.
Excellent reading.
Rat.
Next.
Rock. Log. Log. Dog. Pig. Din.
Excellent.
Hill.
And
Mill.
very good job. Miss Campos will go back. You guys did a great job. We are now, let's let it finish. Okay, we are now ready for our new concept. For our new concept, what we're going to do today is we're going to review what a syllable is. Who remembers what a syllable is? Does anybody remember? We learned this last week. A syllable is a word or part of a word with one vowel sound. Remember? We know we learned that there's closed syllable words, right, with the short vowel sound. We know there's open syllable words so far. Those are the ones we learned. We learned about silent E also, remember? And so let's go ahead and take a look. We learned about vowel consonant. Let's think of the word cat. The vowel is a, the consonant is t. The vowel a is closed in by the consonant t, right? So we know, excuse me, can you listen? So we know that short vowels are closed syllable words. Let's go ahead and review really quick. We go A, apple, a. Can you do that with me? A, apple, a. E, edge, e. I, itch, I. O, octopus, ah. U, So those are our short vowel sounds. And remember, when the vowel is in the middle and there's a consonant after it, it's a short vowel sound, okay? All right, so let's look at this word sun. That's an easy word, right? But it follows the vowel consonant. Watch, vowel consonant. If it follows that rule, then I know it's a closed syllable. And when it's a closed syllable, I know it's a short vowel sound. Sun. Okay, let's move on. Now we're going to talk about compound words. Let me tell you what a compound word is. A compound word is when you take two words that can stand all alone by themselves. Like for instance, sun. Can sun be a word all by itself?
Yes, good.
You never use the word sun in a sentence? I see the sun in the sky. That can stand by itself. That's a word by itself. Can set be a word by itself? Yeah, I set the paper down, right? But what happens when you join the two together? You get a whole new word, sunset. And it has a whole new meaning. It's when the sun is coming down and setting in the evening, sunset. So a compound word is taking two words, combining it together, and creating a new word. Now this one is a closed syllable. This one is a closed syllable, so I would read it sunset, and I would get sunset. You join it together. That's a compound word, okay? Let's look at this one. First of all, who can tell me, is this open or closed? Closed. It's vowel consonant. How would I read that word? Step. That's your first word. Look at this one. How would I read this one? Dad. Join it together, and what's the word? Step dad. Excellent job. Okay, now we're gonna do some pocket chart work. Here's what I'm gonna do with you guys. I'm gonna create compound words, and we're gonna read the word together. So let me give you an example. If I took the word it, and I took the word self, it can be a word by itself. Self can be a word by itself, but when I join it together, I get a whole new word. Who can tell me what the word is when I join it? Itself. Okay, let's do another one. What if I took the word can? What would I join with can to help make a whole nother word? So can is one word, Arturo. Can is a word. Up is a word, but is can up a word? No. It has to create a real word. Yes. Yep, exactly. Can is a word. Not is a word, but when I join it together, what do we get? We get cannot. Let's try another one. What if I take the word some? I'll put it over here. Which word would I join it with? Yes. Excellent. Some is a word. Times is a word. Put it together. Sometimes. Okay, so now we made another compound word. Let's do hot. What would I combine with hot, Hemina?
Dog.
Excellent. Hot is a word, dog is a word. Combine it together, I got a whole new word, right? It makes a whole new word. Next one. Up, hill. Combine it. Uphill. Good job. Let's go ahead and read our words together. Ready? Itself. Now when I read it, do I read them separate or do I read it together? Here we go. Itself, cannot, sometimes, hot dog, uphill. Excellent reading. Okay, so now that we just read them, the words are going to be very easy to read. What's the word?
Hot
What's the word?
dog.
What's the word?
Hot dog.
What's the word? What's the word? Excellent. Now the word is already put together. Who can tell me what is this word? Yes.
Itself.
Excellent. Itself. What is this word, Israel? Cannot. And what is this word? Yes. Uphill. Now what we're going to do is we're going to break the word apart. Okay? Here we go. What would we break the first part up? Itself. Put together.
Itself.
Let's break this one up. Put together. Let's break this one up. Put it together.
Uphill.
Excellent job. All right. Now I'd like you to get your red pen. Put your name on your paper first. Take your red pen. You're welcome. You're welcome. Let's see if I can give you one. Hold on. There we go. You're welcome. So here's what we're going to do. I already told you that each syllable is a closed syllable word. Now, not on all of them. We're going to go through them and we'll have to figure it out. But for the first couple, they're going to be closed syllable words. So we're going to use our red pen and we're going to first, in order to find out how many syllables are in that word, we have to count how many vowels are in that word. So how many vowels do you see here? Anybody? How many vowels, Arturo?
2.
2. We see the A, color it in, and we see the A. That means that this is a 2-syllable word. Who can tell me what is the first syllable in this word? Yes.
Back.
Back. What is the second syllable in this word?
Pack.
And when you join it together, what does the word say?
Backpack.
Yep. So one strategy when you're learning to read long words is to figure out how many syllables are in that word. And in order to figure out how many syllables are in that word, guess what you need to do? Count the vowels, okay? Let's see. Look at this one. How many vowels do you see? 2. Mark them.
2.
Who can read the first word? Yes. Sand. And what's the second word? Jimena? We already read sand, Jimena. Yes. Lot. Excellent. Put it together.
Sandlot.
Sandlot. Good job. Let's go to the second row. Look at this word. How many vowels? 2 vowels. Mark them. Who can tell me what's the first syllable? Arturo? Bull. And what's the second syllable?
Dog.
Dog. Put it together. What's the word, Galang?
Bulldog.
Bulldog. Now, look over here. Remember I told you sometimes they are not just closed syllables. Sometimes they're silent E syllables. So here is a silent E syllable, and here is a silent E syllable. But they're still it's a 2-syllable word. Now, this one is a heart word. Does anybody remember what the first word says? Yes. Some. And this is the second part of the word. What's the second part? Times. Put it together. What do you have?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Good job. I'd like you to raise your hand, you guys. Okay, because right now I was talking to Andrea. You got that? Okay, here we go. Find the vowels. Who wants to tell me how many vowels did you find? Jimena? 2. Can you read the first part of the word? Sun. What's the second part of the word? Tan. Who can put the 2 together? Yes. Uh-huh.
Suntan.
Excellent. Suntan. How many syllables? 2. Let's clap it out. Sun, tan. Excellent. Okay, this one's a tricky one. Does anybody notice silent E? Yep, so we're going to combine it like this. Now this one is the short vowel I sound. But do you remember the rule? When the short vowel I is next to the NG distorts its sound. So even though it's an it says E in this word. Who can tell me what this word says? Yes, thing. So when I put the 2 together, what's the word? Let's clap it. Ready? Something. Excellent. Let's go ahead and read all of our words. You guys ready? Here we go. Backpack, sand lot. Ooh, Miss Campos should not be reading it this way because I'm reading it as if it's 2 separate words. But we should read it as if it is one word. Ready? Here we go. Backpack, sand lot, bulldog, sometimes, suntan, something. Now, did you know that we could actually do math with reading words? Can I show you a math problem that I'm going to create? Watch this. I'll start with suntan. If I take sun and I add it to tan, it's going to equal what word?
Suntan.
Did you see how I just created a math problem with reading? Yeah, I did sun plus tan equals suntan. Let's try it with this one. How would you create a math problem with that one? Arturo.
Back plus pack equals backpack.
Excellent job. Who can do this one? Yes.
Sand plus lot equals sandlot.
Excellent. Who can do this one? Anybody else? Jimena, try it. can do this one, okay? Excellent job. We did that one already. Let's all do it together. Sun plus tan equals suntan. And then who can do this one? Go for it. Arturo.
Sun plus
First say some
sun
plus.
plus bean equals something.
Yep. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give you guys a piece of paper. And we are going to create a math problem with a word that I'm going to give you, okay? You think you can do that? Okay, let's see, you're welcome. You're welcome. All right, here we go. The first word I would like you to do is the word itself. Create a math problem for itself. What would that look like? If it doesn't fit on that one line, you can write it right on the bottom also. Okay? So how many wrote it plus self equals itself? How many did that?
I did that.
Excellent. Let's try another one. Write a math problem for this word right here. If it doesn't fit, you can write right below it, okay? Amena, can you tell me what math problem you wrote for that one?
I write 10 plus not equals
Excellent. Can plus not equals cannot. Let's do one more. Let's do this word right here. And this time we're all going to say the problem, okay? You guys ready? Here we go.
hot plus dog equals hot dog.
You guys did an amazing job. Go ahead and put a line underneath for parent signature.